Let us talk about the Amenity Kit. The Amenity Kit is what you get if you are in business class or first class. This one actually is for first class, but they give you one for business class too. It's a love-hate thing. Well, maybe a like-hate thing. I like them, but I also kind of hate them as well. Why? Because there's a tremendous amount of waste if you think about it. We have British Airways has about 500 flights roughly per day. They're not all business class, first class type flights where you can have that, but some of them do have up to 100 business and first class. So 500, we could say, if there were 10, 5,000 bags, but they're definitely more than that. If there were 150,000, but again, not all flights have that. So let's say 25,000 of these per day. So every 10 days, 75,000, 250,000 or 225,000 a month, 2 million a year. I mean, I'm just ballparking here, but so that's the part I don't like, especially because some of these things are one-time use. Some of them are no use, and some of them you might keep. So we'll see, especially if you're a repeat traveler, then it goes down on what you're going to keep though. All right, let's open it up. They do have a tab here for security, I guess, to know if people open them, because if you didn't open it at all, they could recycle the bag, I guess. And yeah, you may not have opened them because you couldn't. Okay, let's see. It's like a goodie bag. In some ways, it's kind of like the red carpet type thing. First of all, the eye mask. This too has an extra little security flap. It's tied together. Okay. Actually, the quality of this one is pretty nice. It's got a nice like velvet inside, soft velour inside, and some adjustable straps. I could use this, although I do have my own. So yeah, if you go online, you can get a nice silk one, very soft, very smooth. It's just very comfortable. Yeah, I would invest in something like this. The other ones are okay if you didn't bring it or you haven't bought one yet. But if you fly a lot, you want that. If you fly once in a while, then the quality of this is okay. I hate to throw this away. Let's check out what's number 2. I'm getting the big ones, socks. Now the socks, you're probably already wearing socks, of course, but you could take off your socks and just put these on. You could put these over your socks to kind of protect them against the dirty airplane floors. So they're an okay pair. Again, yeah. Yeah, they're all right. They're not bad. It's just, I don't know. I don't really keep these because I already have socks that I like, and they're usually white. So the socks are okay. It's hard to say for something like that. Tissues, actually, so far, it's like, wow. Tissues I will keep. They're very useful for vacations. You get a runny nose, and in fact, I could have used that when I got off the plane. I had a bit of a runny nose, so I would say actually tissues are good. All right, so far they're proving me wrong. A little bit about, yay, I'm not gonna read it. Oh, wow. All right, so this one is another one I've actually used quite a lot and still using it today when I travel. This is shaving gel. Yeah, you don't think about that, but what do you do? Carry shaving lotion, the whole thing around with you everywhere you go. So I do like this, and I'm going to keep this, and it's pretty full, so there's a repeated use of this. So the weight, I mean, it's still wasteful in a way, but I guess a regular, shaving gel is too. So no more wasteful, so I can't ding them for that. This is deodorant. I already have that. Yeah, I mean, it's nice, but I don't know how many do I need. I like the compact size for something like that. All right, this is the Skin Buff Facial Exfoliating with Shea Butter. I don't know if I've had that before. I don't know what to do with that. This is the Ultra Smart Pro Collagen Eye Cream. And you know what? I have this at home. I kept it. I use it on occasion when I'm kind of cleaning my face. So kind of useful, just very small. You don't get much, but you don't need much either. So I'll allow for it. We'll allow it. Chapstick. This is they're all got these seal. Yeah. It's okay. I mean, I don't know how full. Sometimes they don't fill these things very. I mean, it's a big, tall one, but how full it actually is it? I don't know. Which is the problem I have with some of these things. They're so empty. This is the Ultra Smart Pro Collagen Moisturizer. Let's see how it is. Oh, I got to open up the tab. And then now I got to put. Well, there's some on the tab. It smells nice. Feels nice. Okay. That's all right. That's all right. It's all right. What else we got in here? A little comb from the 1940s. Actually, with my hair right now, I could probably use that. Extra plastic, but I guess you kind of got to have it for this. But the comb from the 1940s. I if you forgot a comb in your hair. Earplugs. Cool. Very kind of helpful and useful, but I already have so many. Although now that I look at my stuff, I'm probably taking a fair amount of this stuff home, so I guess it has worked. But this is nice because it does have the case for it. Just good to have. I don't know. So, all right, and the full-size toothbrush with a little case and a toothpaste that probably has a limited amount of use. Yeah, except I already have a toothbrush, and whenever I go to the dentist, they give me a new toothbrush. The mini toothpastes, they actually give me that too. So, yeah, it's kind of cool if you didn't bring one. But why would you be traveling like somewhere and you didn't bring your toothbrush? And this actually is weird because sometimes they give you like the single use for just for that flight, at probably business class. But this is one where you wouldn't use this once and throw it away, would you? That'd be bad. So, I don't know, I guess I'll replace my toothbrush. And it also doesn't become a travel toothbrush because I wouldn't travel with something this big. I have a small compact one, so actually the toothpaste is, but this, so it's kind of, I'm mixed. Last thing they have, and kind of pretty cool, is a full-size pen, and I'm writing on myself. This actually can come in really handy. There's times where A, I forget to bring a pen, or B, even worse, I bring a pen, but it leaks. They have problems with the air, so this is kind of an older ballpoint. Oh, this could probably still leak, but the ones I bring leak. So, remove before, little tab says remove before use. Okay, it's removed. I could use it. So this isn't bad. So, I gotta say, their waste is still there, but the usefulness is pretty high, and the reusefulness is pretty high. So this is actually one of the best amenity kits I've had as far as, economically friendly. I mean, these two things, I already have socks, I already have an eye mask. I don't need two. I don't know what to do. It seems so wasteful to throw that away, but donate it? I don't know. All right, well, that's it, amenity kit. Yeah, this one's kind of fun. I mean, it's the exact same one I had last time, and in a few days I'm going to get another one just like this. And that will be kind of wasteful, but, well, what can you do? Just not fly first class as much, I guess. Yeah, fly economy, save the world. All right, that's it.